guys, welcome to my channel, The Quintessential Soul. Before we get into this video, let me give you a gist of what the Aam Aadmi interview series is all about. So we've seen a lot of interviews pertaining to rich, famous and successful celebrities, but what about the common man? Do we know what their struggle is? Do we know what their aspirations are, or what are the simple pleasures of their life? Welcome to the Aam Aadmi interview series. I will be talking to the Aam Aadmi, that is Mango people, about what their struggle is, their aspirations are, and what their actual talent is. So without much ado, let's get started and have a whole new perception about life. So guys, today we have with us a graduate, a makeup junkie and also a nail artist. So let's welcome Snigdha.
Hi guys, I'm Snigdha. I just finished my management course and I'm a budding entrepreneur. I'm a nail artist and I take nail art events. So that's it.
That's really exciting, guys. I mean, nail art, and look at me. Nails are not even painted
I-
here.
See,
Okay.
see mine.
Okay, so tell me about your story. I mean, since when are you into makeup and who's your inspiration?
So okay, I was a nail artist from since I was in 8th standard. There was a story that happened. So I ordered 24 brushes ka nail art kit. By mistake, they sent me a makeup kit. So that's how I got introduced. That was my first product. Like, who buys makeup brushes at their first
Exactly.
this thing? But that was fine. I couldn't just send it back because there was no product guarantee. So I thought, okay, fine, I have makeup brushes now. Why not learn it? And my first makeup product was Max Rubio, and it's still been my favorite lipstick out of all. So that's how my story started.
I think that product is the favorite of everyone. here.
Everyone.
And talking about 8th standard, my god, when I was in 8th, I would plait my hair and tie it up. You know, that was the rule in our school. But wow, man, that's really nice. So, any particular inspiration, any model or
Yeah,
any actor?
I like YouTubers like Prachi Agarwal and SJ Loves Jewelry. She does amazing
Her
makeup.
reviews are
Yeah,
amazing.
her makeup is really good. And international bloggers like Nikki Tutorials, I really love her.
Wow. So, has makeup always increased your confidence?
Obviously, it'll increase my confidence. See, now you can't see any of my marks, but I have a lot of marks beneath my makeup. So it makes you look more confident and more open to the world, and you can stand to yourself. Like, you don't have to feel that no, I have these marks. No, it's always good to be comfortable in your skin, but at times you need makeup.
So, but how do you overcome all this negativity? Because I've seen people, you know, they judge people if you're wearing a dark lipstick or if you're having a lot of makeup on your face. So, how do you overcome all this?
See, Indian society is really orthodox about makeup. Like, it's really orthodox. I can take my own example for this. So, whenever I wear a dark lipstick, even if I walk on the streets, people will be like, "Oh, what is this girl wearing? Why is she like this?" There is no freedom for a makeup junkie like me to walk around in makeup. So it's always like, why is she overly dressed up? It's nothing common. Like, everything looks so weird to people here. So I think it has to change.
Okay, since you're a makeup junkie, can you describe yourself in the most creative way using makeup products?
Okay, so I've been dying to buy a lipstick. So it's a lipstick from MAC, and I would describe myself with that. I'm a relentlessly red kind of a girl, I would say.
That sounds really sexy to me. So, is MAC your favorite brand?
MAC is one of my favorite brands. I actually like Miss Claire.
Miss Claire, something that I also love. Okay, so tell me about your everyday struggle. Since we are not earning right now, see, I'm also not earning. I'm still a student, and you're just a graduate now. So, what is that everyday struggle that you feel is like the ultimate thing?
Okay, fine. I get your point, but see, I've been an entrepreneur from 3 years or something. So,
Jealous. Trust me.
so I have never come across money issues, like really tough money issues. I bought my own iPhone, so
Oh, that's really wonderful.
I haven't come across something like really of a money and a financial issue. But yeah, it would be there. But my parents are there to support me. If an outsider is here in Bangalore or something, it would be a tough task for them. But I live with my parents, so everything
fine.
is sorted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I buy my makeup, so my money goes to my makeup.
So that's one thing I like about her is that she buys her own makeup and she does not depend on others.
Yeah.
I think that's one thing that all the girls should learn. You should be independent, guys. Like you cannot actually depend on your parents or your husband, like always. So that's one thing I love about you. And tell me about this. We people make a plan, you know. Few, in the next 5 years, I want to be an entrepreneur, or I want to be a star, and things like that. So, do you have a plan made for yourself?
I have no plan made out. Life is just taking me to a place and I'm just going along with the flow. I think that's not a good thing. But I think life will sort things out for you. I think one day I'll find out something really that great.
But you're enjoying this
Yeah,
current.
I'm enjoying
So
it.
that's more than enough. I think if you're happy, then that's more than enough
Yeah.
for us. So, what has been your most embarrassing moment?
So I had to get ready for a event like a Disney princess, and I had just then got my hair really short, and makeup I could somehow manage. Like Disney makeup, it's a matter of like this for me, but my hair wasn't really supportive. My hair was really short. It was like only so much, and then I had to like do something to make myself look better. I think that was the most embarrassing moment for me. Imagine a Disney princess with,
With a
short hair
I
and
know, I know.
Disney makeup.
So imagine Rapunzel with short hair. So I think her story was something like. So tell me a few myths about makeup.
Okay, there are a lot of myths about makeup, but one thing I would really want to tell it on screen today. So makeup spoils your skin. It doesn't spoil your skin. Okay, fine. If the makeup product doesn't suit your skin, it will surely spoil your skin. But I don't think makeup would harm your skin in a that very bad way. If you take good care of your skin, exfoliate, tone it well, and moisturize it well, I think if you maintain a proper regimen of your skin, I think makeup doesn't make that much of a harm to your skin. I think it is done to me. Okay, when I started doing makeup, I started taking care of my skin, and that's when my skin started becoming really very good. Before that, my skin wasn't that great, but just because I'm doing makeup now, it's just like a reflex action for me. I have to take care of my skin, so I do it every night. I have a regimen maintained, morning, night, everything. So that is the best way to maintain your skin, and makeup really doesn't spoil your skin. Trust me.
Basically, you're trying to say that if girls get to know their skincare routine for the skin type that they have, then half of the problem is solved.
See, there are many DIYs out there that you can do it at home, and it doesn't even cost that much. It's just your kitchen items, and you need to have a very limited item for all that. And I think you're good to go. You can maintain your skin really very good.
And what about this myth saying dark lips? If you apply lipstick, then your lips will become darker and things
Only
like
if you don't maintain your lips again, you need to exfoliate your lips as well, because even that is an essential part of your face. So like how you give importance to your face, the equal importance needs to be given for your lips as well. So you can do a sugar scrub at your home and do a scrub out of it. I think it's not much of a problem.
So what are the must-have products for a college going?
I myself was a college going student, and I really didn't want my makeup to be overdone. So I kept my makeup items very limited to college. So I just used this Pond's BB cream. So this gives like a very good coverage. So you don't have to worry about foundations or something like that, because Indian colleges and Indian society is not that way. They don't accept a lot of makeup. So I have a lipstick next. This is a lip cream and this is a gloss. So it works as a two-in-one for a college-going girl. She can carry this in her bag, or you can do one more thing. If you are not a gloss person, just like me, you can just remove this and carry only this in your pocket. So this is a nice hack for
Which
you.
brand is it?
This is from Bonjour Paris. So this is in the shade 11, and this is such an MLBB shade. It doesn't even look like you have a lipstick on your lips. So it's a very subtle pink. So I think it'll be very good for everyday
Indian skin tone also.
Yeah, Indian skin tones and everyday looks. I think this makes a very good
Product
very good go-to. And then I have an eyeliner. You can go with any eyeliner of your choice, whichever is good you feel. So I have this MN ones. Not much of people know about this brand, but this is one of my favorite eyeliner. And as always, everyone's favorite baby lips. Everyone
loves
baby.
baby lips.
So even he loves
Even he
baby
loves. I mean, the
lips.
photographer also loves baby lips, so you can.
So baby lips is one such product which keeps your lips hydrated for a very long time. I think you don't even need a touch up of this. So I think these products are enough for a college-going student, as for me.
That's nice. And what is that one product that you swear by?
I swear by this lipstick and BB cream. I really have to have these two. Wherever I go, I should have this. And eyeliner, it's just a
Everyday thing. If you want, you can. If not, it's okay. It's fine.
it's okay.
And I've seen a lot of people do this no makeup look. I've never understood what is this no makeup look. So, what do you think?
I'll explain to you what the no makeup look is. So, any makeup you do, you are bound to be very confident about it. Okay, it's about using a proper eyeshadow. You have to use an eyeshadow just a little darker to your skin tone, so that your skin will look more natural. You don't have to go with a gold or some completely red or something of a bright color sort. So a nice warm color, warm brown or something would suit Indian skin tone. And for your lips, you can use a very subtle mauve or a very baby pink kind of a color which suits your skin tone again, because baby pink doesn't suit everyone, guys. So I would say you can use a mauve actually for Indian skin tones. Mauve is such a pretty color, and you just now saw this is my mauve and this is my lipstick for my no makeup look. And you need to have a good blush for this. I think a good bright blush would look really very pretty on this look. And that's it. It's not much of a difficult task.
So, are you going to teach me how to do this? Maybe in the next video.
No, obviously I'll help. Any girl out there, I'll be helping you guys.
Okay, all right. See, I love watching YouTube videos. Okay, and I love it when people show different makeup looks and things like that. But when they use words which are difficult for a common man to understand, like MLBB or exfoliate, I always had to Google what it is. Like, what does exfoliate mean? And I'm like, oh, okay, this is what it means. So, what do you think? Should we learn about all this, or what do you think about all this?
If you are a makeup junkie, I think it just comes by person. Like you get to hear it a lot, and you just get to know things. Like even in your college, this happens, right?
Yeah.
When someone is talking about something you have no idea about, you get to like adhere to that situation. The same happens here also. So you can just, if a person really wants to learn makeup or get to know about it, they can surely learn it. Or else it's not of much big thing. So you can just skip on it. Not an issue.
Okay. So I'll just tell you my everyday makeup routine, and if there's any mistake in that, please do let me know, because I have no idea about what makeup is. So I wash my face with a face wash, then apply moisturizer, and foundation I don't use it on a daily basis. I use BB cream instead, and after that I do my eyeliner and some mascara, because mascara is every girl's best friend, and some lipstick. That's all.
You're a college going student, and I think it's very perfect for you to do all this. But girls, don't skip on your moisturizer. I see many girls skipping on their moisturizer just because their skin is oily. No, when your skin is really not enough of the oils, that's when it produces a lot of oil, and that's when you get your oily skin problems. So I think her skin is really very pretty. So I don't think she even needs a BB cream for that. So I think she has a very good makeup routine.
Thank you so much. I have a small surprise for you. So before we get into that, let me ask you a question. Last question for the day. We have seen, I think this is my perception when guys tell me that, oh, I went for my eyebrows today. I went to buy this lip balm, and I'm like, you're a boy. Why do you need all this? So what's your take on it?
I think even boys need to be well groomed and well maintained. I think Indian mind should take this out of their mind. See, it's just maintaining their own skin, their own grooming. It's just maintaining their own skin and their own lips. I don't find any mistake in it. People shouldn't be this judgmental about what men are doing.
Yeah, I
So,
think that's one thing we
yeah.
should learn about. Anyways, it was great talking to you, and I
you.
think our viewers have got you've answered all of their questions. So are you ready for the surprise? I think it's more like a shock than a surprise.
What kind of a surprise?
Okay, wait. Oh yeah, what do you think this is?
It looks very colorful. I don't know.
Do you like colorful stuff?
Yeah, it's very pretty. She's done it very pretty. But what is it all about?
This is gonna be your rapid fire round.
Oh, is it like coffee with Karan? Rapid
Yeah, but
fire.
there's no coffee here, so we'll stick to this
Oh my God,
colorful.
I'm really shocked.
So I have curated a 10-question rapid fire for you, and you don't have time to think. You should go
Rapid
like
fire
rapid
doesn't
fire.
have good thinking time.
But you've seen Coffee with Karan. Everybody takes time, so I don't think you should take time now.
Okay, I'll just try my level best.
So are you ready for it?
Yes.
Are you excited for it?
Do I have an option?
No.
Yeah.
Let's start. Career or marriage?
Career?
That's an independent girl speaking here. Your go-to makeup look?
This one. This one always.
Always. Okay. What's a complete makeup fail?
For me, a complete makeup fail was when I was learning makeup. I used to experiment with every possible shade and using different colors like blue, green. I think it's in trend now, but only if you do it good, it works good on your face.
Your favorite makeup hack?
My favorite makeup hack is turning a glossy lipstick into matte just by blotting it. I think that's a
Yeah, that's something that I came to know today. So sorry. 3 wishes from a genie.
okay. More makeup, more nail polishes, and more clothes and shoes.
That's everything that a girl needs, right?
Yeah.
That's so obvious.
That's obvious.
Okay. Impulsive makeup shopping or calculated shopping?
It depends on my financial status, I would say. If I have a lot of money, I would really be an impulsive shopper. If not, I think
Calculated.
calculated.
Okay. Simple pleasures of your life.
Simple pleasures. I'm an only daughter, so I've always been happy and like been doing whatever I want, and my parents are really supportive about all that. So I think I'm really happy about it.
Are you a foodie?
Big time.
Okay.
See me.
One change that you would like to bring in yourself?
One change, I should stop being lazy. I should actually not sleep a lot. That was the only.
She was actually late for the shoot today because she
I
overslept.
overslept.
So yeah, I think that's one thing
Being
you
very
should change. Okay, boyfriend over makeup.
Makeup, any day makeup. Any girl, obviously.
Oh,
Thank you, Snigdha. Thank you so much for coming here and answering all my questions. So, what do you think?
It was really fun meeting you, Sheetal. She's my junior, guys. She's my junior at college, and we haven't met. Actually, we haven't met, and this is the reason we met. And I really liked her company. And budding YouTubers like us should get a good platform, and I think she's doing a great job by doing all this. I mean, there are very common YouTubers out there, and she's somewhere out of the league, I felt. So, all the best, Sheetal.
Thank you
I
so
really
much.
had fun meeting you in person. I really liked this interview. Thank you.
And also, guys, let me tell you, though we were in the same college, she was my senior, we were only friends on Snapchat.
Yes.
You know, I would always see her posting, oh, I got this makeup today, this is my new look, and things like that. And I'm like, oh my god, how does she do makeup so well? And look at me here. Thank you so much, Snigdha. It was great meeting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do like, share, and comment. And also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I've also linked Snigdha's nail art page in the description box below. So hope to see you guys soon.